dwa sese galamse kon akwakoye kon sese da manyimu obia esu ho bie na wono mu a ewo mu pa no nso ede so bo no bo se amanyofo no ka ho na China fo ene amanfoforo so fo wo mu tu ese yensu sa galamse kuro ya ekuyafo no nso se wo mu de mfa nche benkuma na nifa nemom ya kendifo na Catholic Bishop Conference nso akasa e de afa asem kuro ya ho lawyer John Dako wono na sesie wagina mu ede amaswame abato mpesua so wobehye wura se chemensa bonsu anan enura wodena probo ekopie mu oswame dwom na honsam etesen abusua bi wo gwai fetu afahye no wo ma yedie eni ho amadodo na ehwe ebi nso pede wo mo ayo etie enne nua no ne aboabo ano anopai yede da ho se no nsia bremu kase bo OCP fertilizer ekutayemu ena yede brewo eno eye kuafo adamfo ento ye kuani apebi na fadi ho dwuma na adoma aboawo sana 21st clinic sciatica expert as say wo motimi atwa ntoma si won koko no wo namba bia ehwe sciatica yarehwe wono mo wo Swaziland ene amahodo a ewo South Africa endi anawo nso abuku na nema nyina akoye anopai yura sante ebo Benedict ena nsem no wasem sada ena kase ebo demu say yes Sompa 90.7 Sompa 98.9 Sompa 93.1 ene baabia wo ma ho den ka ho bi ena ensem no eba wa akwama anopai obapa kosuaso mo na echinchim afidie no fruma na MCR ho nso no Kinazuka enne dom ato ya peten Facebook YouTube ene baabia afi yanyebre na ensem no yentutu ne sere ne abasa emfama na yefiri ase dia onuamede obehya ase efiri ekuyafo wo maboboa no esanse obia bedidi a efiri kuyani mampanim bedidi asukufo no woroma aka nyina akuyani nsem enefi na kokwa akuyafo ene sese woroma tede na no yewura bo ahenedu wode nsemi kokotu dwa kire se onimpa ebo a eba nenso ayese akokwa bedi ni made chen wotie woni na no gima mpani aboso ne no na yewura brand champon wono na ya kacha so afo wode honsem nyina ba beto dwa se de akuafo yi koko bag ba kon million no aduasa na wode toto firibira wono befa ye na obekase wo mapem de akọ wo manimpa na nwoma eda ni wura no enetie
2023 in Tepa we announced officially the opening of the cocoa season. In between time, we have been offered different prices on the market. You are aware, joint trading, and we have also attempted to offer cocoa farmers different prices. The most significant one that was worth announcing was the increase from 1,300 to 2,070. So in announcing a new price, you have to now relate it to what announcement you made at the beginning of your season. And at the beginning of last year's season, 2023, as I announced in Tepa, announced by the president in Tepa, as against the opening of this new season, is 129.6%. And that is very, very clear. In between time, there have been some announcements. Yes, increases here and there. It's in comparison with the beginning of the seasons, and that is what we always do.
Yewra brand champon, wono ene ya rokacha swafo o my Ghana mu na ate se koko bo ya 2024-2025 yi se ye bribra na nkenkamu wode abetudwa cheze de bag no eduru 30 million. Afe yanto ansam no so ne nwura amanyosemu na afafanto amanyoku ne movement no ya waya alliance pania wotua wonoma no eyura kojo alanchremanten na wode ne nkrate edi adanse sampa wotwa ntomasi ne kokose mampani no obenya presa agwai wode kɔ na wode kɔ ye na awie na wo friends ntwerofo kyese wo sada de wobete ne to adi na wonyo bia se wo lawyer wono nso wo ye nsantweroni wabempa wa amanyosemu lawyer kwa me wusu danso wono ene beye na bedi akire se onyama mpani no a na ewie ne wo kyese Ghana ehia wo bia wa wiata so pa se wobekwa maman no nemom enye na manyoku na se nipa no nso ene wo no ala nkojo kyeremante.
We are looking for a president who will fight for the interests of Ghana and of political parties. They are looking for a president who will unite the nation and not divide the nation. They are looking for a president who will establish a government of national unity, a truly representative government, a government for the people, of the people, and by the people. Ghanaians are looking for a president who would also execute and lead the process of constitutional reforms that will help improve the quality of governance in the country. And last but not least, Ghanaians are looking for a president who will inspire behavioral change and mindset change amongst Ghanaians. And with my record outside government, within government.
Afafanto wura no yewura Alan Koyokyere manten na ewie no de ode nkrata no kɔhye ne nsɛm owura yere Jane Adokwe Mensa eje na osanhyira wo mokosakose.
The day that our Father God has made, we rejoice and we are glad in it, and we thank the good Lord for making it possible for us to gather this afternoon to receive your nominations. We are gathered here this afternoon, as you may be aware, to carry out one of the most important processes in the lead-up to the 2024 general election. Indeed, without this process, the Commission cannot run the election. And here I am referring to the filing of nominations by presidential candidates who are seeking to contest the 2024 general election.
Eno bra yewura lanchremanten wode ne nkrata ekoi na ate se maame Adokwe Mensa nso na wo hyira wo mo asanso adoma kyerɛ se enema nyina ebekoyi na wo mo eni hɔ a wonom nso eni hɔ afi yenko galanse ho nsɛm mu ene small scale miners wonom kasa se sobo bi wo hɔ a womfa mo bia ensu ho no wono ma ye small scale miners no ye famra kwanso ni mu se etiamra saada ena ye kwaye brentu ahodo ededa ho no mu nsu mu a ebinum abo awura no nsu nyina etiamra nanso eye wono ma mfiri man mu China fo ne amahodo sofo bi saafo nyina nso no wo mo ka ne prenye premfa sa amanyofo na ama wono mo nkrata na yewura kwakudua wonna ba asante mantam ha sa kuyi wotua wo ma no onne kan
tambiara ekwekwe o mem ha bia no sensuo ani seya nom de share small scale mining ti yengu small scale mining yengu small scale mining but ensuo emu no eya de say edwe ma say brabe mining ewum eya nkrofo bi nso amko bi o maba from tutututu say de e wo machi a mo hu pepepe so mo ba ensuo no a nsumna na ensuo ne mu a obo ade abo say enya ba bi nko say de be ya enyiri mefaye no science na na so no mo de AC no no mutu efom agodie ne wom da bia abeba bia na nkrofo yakoka be kan na kuro bi asore na afi aban so de ho abufu ate asrafo agum abesese excavators na sefo na ye no mineral commission na EPA na my krata na nya de krata nsuo no kura na be ma krata na 100 meters away from the river enya de say obema obi abema nsuo ensuo ya de bia boy ho ban eyi papa
eno ye bra wono mu kan wom tamba nkyira no woni asra adom no bowuram se wom beye atusafo no so esa na atese na wo kasa no na Kwame Agiman wono nso wono metu agudie ni bi wode ne neto so
two boys na enu omudi nkomo no kyerɛ sɛ obi na di omo baaye ɛna sɛ baabi aduro nso no politician omtumi ye bibia bi okay but ɛna me kaaye no ye ntena hɔ no sɛ obi meyi so ye adwuma no dabi enam say no na aka bibi fa ho Ghana fo so mu ninti o ma me yisu anu me ka bibi fa ma Ghana fo me so adwuma no ye invest wo ene mo ba ye mo hu dwuma o mu di wa ha no mo amudi mo nie hu bi enti ba bi kura wodi wo mu ko ye no ye be chesi wo mo a ye mfa ni agro Mr. Ghana fo say sa o mu wonsu so no yes small scale mine ye nso so na sanso na Ghana ni bi o ba bia nso so because ye no yenti aban man krata say ye mfanya adwuma wonsuom
yero Kwame Agiman so no o small scale mine na bia na yedaso a wo galamsey na ho nsanse mu na akuyafo nso da wo mo kasai na opambo bo aten wono na akuyafo no nyina aka wo ho abom no otua wo ma no Concerned Farmers Association ena wono nso di tudwa se ya kandifo ye wo man yimu ya sra adom ne mpanimfo no sabi wo mama galamsey fo na nkasa kura ma wo mo show down enti wo mo ka ho bi na illegal mining no ekoso
Parliament and say dissolve Parliament because Parliament has become a weak institution. All because if you say they are politics for Ghana NTU Empire, the military and as the Ghana Armed Forces, whatever, because of politics, they can't even fight it out. The Parliament is there for the state. That at least, the Parliament should also come out to do something because the NTD against the Parliament or at least Parliament have to even wake up call be an item which media found. Also Parliament is millions. It is you the family there and the ultimatum to the military and the police everything. The up to you issue that statement.
Sansemi Sompa kase so na nana opambo boaten a oye Concerned Farmers Association womo president ede etudwa na Ghana Bishop Conference ya yewra Matthew Kosijemfi most reverend da won ma no nso akasa de afa ho na ne de a wo kan se ye obo ade bobra wode agya yen ete se ye kwa ebrentu nsu anyina no wode ama yen se ye nidi ho ne mo ankasa yen se no ete se ye bibia ese no a sabio na yebunyame animtia ne basa so a onfe ye bone nchaye
for miners themselves and surrounding communities. These chemicals contaminate water sources and food supplies, leading to long-term health complications, including respiratory and neurological disorders, increase in renal and kidney diseases. And you go to our hospitals and you see how many people are on dialysis.
No, most Reverend Matthew Kosijemfi we a Catholic Bishop Conference of Ghana. And artist na wakasa de kyerɛ sɛ ebinum da dialysis so ebi nso kura ya wo mu a wo mu ne ne hwene ne nyina galansi nsensem ya ene de aba yɛda so agina no amu na ɛno ɛna ensantwerɛfo nka bomukuo yɛmpanimpa otua yɛ nano yɛwura Albert Kwamenadwomfo nso ɛna no atomu bi na wo kyɛ sɛ no kwasɛm ni sɛ wo mo hwemua kosi birebie ni akyire ebobosumi ko na wieye na saa nete a enya de a wombetena wonto so woni akuoku ahodo a wo moni abere se wombetwa aba ahwe ano ne nyina besode na wo matia.
We make the following demands. The president must declare a state of emergency over our water bodies and get the military to clear everyone found on the water bodies. i.e. mining on the water bodies is illegal, and as we all know. 2, all planned and active mining concessions overlapping with river buffers should be abrogated, and all mining activities within 100 meters buffer of all rivers and streams should be halted immediately by the president.
Afe Media Coalition Against Galamsey and also Dr. Ken Asigbe and Edano. One day I could have said, and say, Bossumi nko na wiye, na sa na tie dia, entezukoko pa na umbete edi achirabai.
So as we've said, we are working in tandem, the media, we're going to be working in tandem with the labor unions. So definitely there are going to be some demonstrations that are going to happen. There's a strike that is going to happen. What we as media were going to do when the strike starts, we're going to black out everything the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, everything environment that they do concerning this. So we pray that the president will act now. The president should act now. He has the power to go into the Constitution in Article 31 and declare that state of emergency.
Dr. Kenneth Ashigbe and I say na wakasa na fe yankwa manyosemu na lawyer John Dako Swame abato mpesua so wonene wosono parliamentary candidate wo mayi no wonna Euro se chemensa bonsu wokoshe na nai wo mrahye badwafie na nura wodna probo no kopiem wo Swame dwom na wo kire won mo se de nsu otu an wo mo kase ohunu amane no wo mo nto aba ne mfama no na de wo mo hu ya eyempuntu ekoso akwan no ne ye ka ho ne de kura wo mo de prapra dwaye de aka akire ene doso na mo wo mo to amano na Alhaji Mahmud Baomia bebo doctor nyansa container nso wo mu piano no kodi mampani agua no no ye mrahye badwani a ene empuntu ebedo
Yura Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Baumia, Nameba Hanuma Sumuye Papa, a bread to see a mouth Biblia or say Dr. Baumia, and his sister Asia. Tamanima Mamma do for more. Says, who are back? I couldn't listen to any of my Jews. As I said, Dr. Baumia, police in Abua, I'm a nursing training allowances or Jessica. So back as you say, teacher training. I say, yes, your Magiska or Dr. Baumia Daroma. When you Sika, nursing training allowance, Omatia say, Omunim say, Opan to my NPP, so I'm your quay, and this about Omobejai, and near Marcus MPP as I said now, and this about Bejai. As you know, my dear from Omatia say, almost Omobetwa Bama MPP, Omobetwa Bama Dr. Bomia, Matwa Bama me, a
Lawyer John Dakwa proba odiko PM was Rami Dwem and ate say na wakasano na dwadifo ma ne meme wo ho nso e ma na kwa basei
wa abasra so Rami market na ya hawo nyina ne se nya o meye ekwan nim o meye dwani mu yie maye ana to so bi o me de tete mpa e tekiti na so ma na meka 2 cities na wo na me mu anu omra na oba o me tekiti ni so maye no me dwai mu yie maye to me dwai mu yie maye na ye nyina so bi em na tene se ya kwan ya tete chem da tinsuom ya paso be ya amaye meni pe nyina wo so wa ya ade
eno ya bra lawyer John Dakwa Swame wono enegina wosona na mu a wo pra kwamra hye bedwafie wode nam toabo ekopie ho no akwaba wo mode ma no ene no mamemfa nko ogwai Cape Coast eho ena osaberi ma kwasi atadi fetu afahye no na afahye yi koso no abusua bi afre ne se donkodo abusua wono maye de ni ho a asupitie wo ho o wa makopenti ne kama efe word ahodo renovation ese won mo ye wo mayoyo na pani a odi wo manim ne wakasama abusuan ekwaku Bernard wakan sei
pictures wo money toilets na ze yehu no ya private do bre basan ho bo to ba fa ya bo nti yehu ne na ya de ye bibi ya sei ze sian de ya to bibi chairs abeche won o ya afeshi nti yehu ho toilets na ze na menye hande brother professor denche o me hwene ye ho toilets na ze na fam was hospital na se do a big project kakra ya kra ya bi obeche ya gigi scanner ze ba me ne kase na o se wo friend George Abeku why na nsa of you don't kwado baby ayefi
eno ye Cape Coast Metro Asopiti ena wono mode sa na ma no koma wo mo san ye renovation wo medical ward ho no na ewie ye na Mama Caroline wono agboza kanedin ho one nurse ya wo ho woda wo mase esan e de we to aso
ka say ye da mo ase papa nyama mo di banya ehia ye papa nto ba mo di aba no aba a e ba be boa ye kwan be bre so ye ndan ya o ma be ya ma ye se beto dan na be ye ware ho but nyame aka omakuma ma be ye dan ye amaye ye be kan say ye dan mo ase se ye ndan be bre ebubu se ye ko ha se obehu se dan no edwuregum esre ho so se ono so edwuregum opd ho ne nyinara se omu be assessment in fire service for assessment kura mo say nka ye nya yen fi sa dan no ma be ye fi ma be bie ni ho ye be konti for now we are risking our life ye shemu ho sa e de ye adwuma ye washing machine uko hu say be ye ware ho ti me ka say ye ni washing machine commercial ye de be si hospital nyama no
Madam Caroline no agboza wono ene Dr. Penia owo Cape Coast Metro Asopiti afa yenwe kase no ewo Chiniyama Nyoku wono maboboa no yewura fififi agbekwete wona etwotwofo edema Chiniyama Nyoku yi na wode atodwa achese adechie bosume de etoso dadu nenson sede wo mo akase wobekọ abato commissar ne regional office bia kwa kusun akire no se voter register no broni se aye bloated enu nti wonwe mu adwuma ansa na abato aduru so na no nso wo mo de koda posifo ama won kwan.
A very good meeting with the regional police bosses. And the agreement is that we are going to proceed with our demonstration on the 17th of this month. That's next Tuesday. And it's going to happen not just in Greater Accra, but in all the other regions of the country at the same time. We wanted to have a confirmation about the endpoints. In terms of the routes, we had an agreement that we're going to start from the Kwame Nkrumah Circle, proceed through to Farisco, continue through TUC, continue through the ministries, and come all the way to Parliament and then end up in front of the premises of the Electoral Commission. We wanted to have the exact location. That's why we came in the police to come and see exactly where it is we wanted to have the termination point, and we've been able to agree on that as well.
And now you're trying for at the match near Amanyoku no, and I say, or Casayura Fifi, Fiawe Quete, Yawanesa Medium Phenomena, Boade Moi, Omode and Semi, a ton central for enim. Ya de Cassianasi, Nemum, Kai Hune say, Quaye, say Ubenya Mujadrobi, Eddie Abma, or no by yet Miabodoswa, a OCP fertilizer, and on 1515 woho, and a 10-20-10 and so a woho, 055. 5909437 and now homa betimi afde na wonso onsa kan bi afi otonkoya ho ne ma pebiton na no na boa no bae no ya asase kotodwe kura na de kan ebeye yie de obedi nso wonya ahoden a eya ahoden fofora wonkwa ya asabia na mom so to asintine na twetwen na odehye bi wo ba bi ti se Swaziland nom Botswana ana se Johannesburg South Africa na afa Zimbabwe Mugabe kuromu a fa homa ma no 0244 915 116 0244 915 116 21st clinic wom na atimi atwa ntoma asi won kokoro okobro ni kurum ade abibidure yarehwe ekosa abrofo nyina yareye afi oba Ghana enkorabata na aburudunum ba bia nso wonom ebo adwuma ene nti ana wahye ne nso anopai wom kan ye ho ena nsempa no ebebe ede maamo na obapa konsuasomua ene soso afidi ni funuma ochinchimi na ote ye nka wa chirichiri ene abenche mu Kenazuka wona de ko Facebook YouTube ene ba bia wona school fees ne dom no MCR ho omo na wo ho na Yewura Sante Ebo Benedict nso ensempai wo sa ne nyina mu ema ya ye de bre waja pia pam dada ene media no pemi na mebe ede ma wo ye kosi ya yenkoi o ma hene ye wadubu achiguso a wo ma wiase nyina ache ene nteje wo de so